So our data is connected, our dimension and measures fields are already uh, listed in the data section, data source section. So okay, so everything is done. So now we are just going to design the visualization. So what is visualization? What chart should I show in my visualization? What data should I show in my chart? Okay, which chart I should show, and what type of requirement we need to provide in my design. Okay, so in my visualization. So it is really coming from the data analysis part, and I'm not going to teach you the data analysis here. I'm just going for the data visualization. So if you need some information about the data analysis, you can obviously go for another resource. Okay, another resource mean you can go for the paid training center, you can go for the mtech or any postgraduate study, you can go for any Google or YouTube resource. So whatever, or it just based on your requirement, you can find your resource. So now designing the chart. Okay, so first I will show you some charts. Okay, so how to draw some charts I will show you definitely. So let's first, assuming that you know a little about analysis, means information about the analysis. So now suppose our someone from data analyst an analyzer told me to actually to show the profit. Okay, profit against that category. Okay, so now I will design it. How I can design? So now look here in the top, you can see here it is column self, it is row self, it is page self, it is filtered self, it is marked self. Okay, in the column self, whatever I will place the field in the column, it will show column wise. Okay, suppose let me show you. I'm selecting the category. Okay, so category, I can see the one column category furniture, second is supplies for the second column, and third is technology. Okay, so it is showing column wise. If I am dragging this in the row self, same thing it is, I am seeing here in the row wise. Okay, so I think you got the idea. And here one icon which is actually swapping the row and column. Suppose I the for first I actually placed in the category in the row, but if I'm clicking here, the category will placed in the column. Okay, automatically it is just a icon of swapping. Okay, so now here I can see the category in the column self, and now what I need to see, show the profit. Okay, so I'm dragging the profit field. Okay, I actually what I'm doing, I'm dragging the profit field to the row self. Okay, so now it's a good design. It is automatically done by the Tableau itself, and now it is showing me furniture, office supply, and technology, three categories. And in these three categories, the total profit. Okay, here total profit is 18,451, and it is more than 1 lakh. Okay, 22, and it is more than 1 lakh and 45,000. Okay. So this is the that is the way the Tableau is showing the chart. It is a automated design chart, so you don't actually direct your hand to design the chart, but you have lot of options that you can actually modify the chart according to your requirement. Okay, every time that every time it is not possible that you can show the same visualization, you know, every chart you need to obviously actually change your visualization. Okay, based on the requirement, client requirement, the visualization technique. Okay, so you will have lot of options. I will come with them all step by step, but for the first time I'm showing you the bar chart. Okay, bar chart against the profit, bar chart of the profit against the category. Okay, so now I what I will do, I will just save the sheet. I'm just sorry. I will rename the sheet. Rename sheet means it is showing category wise profit. Okay, profit. Okay. So I'm renaming the sheet, and what I will do, I will save it. So Control S, or you will get the same from file save. It is same as for all applications that you have already used. So now I am saving it like book 1. Okay, it is just going to save the Tableau file.